Greetings, dear friends and enthusiasts of magic on our channel. Today, we have prepared an unusual and magical recipe for you, one that will not only provide you with a delicious beverage but also help bring your desires closer to reality. This is Witch's Coffee, and we will share with you a recipe that originates from the famous book by Lori Cabot, The Power of the Witch. What will you need? Your indispensable coffee pot, coffee beans, and ground cinnamon. Let's begin by pouring the required amount of coffee beans into your coffee pot. Next, carefully pour boiling water over the coffee beans, filling the coffee pot, but remember not to overfill it. Wait until the coffee is prepared and begins to form a fragrant foam. And remember, the most important thing is not to let it come to a boil, as that can negatively affect its taste. When the coffee is ready, you need to add a small pinch of ground cinnamon to it. Cinnamon will give your coffee a unique aroma and taste, and in a magical sense, it infuses the drink with a special energy. You can even customize this coffee to your own taste by adding a bit of milk or cream. In a magical context, milk can symbolize love, and its quantity can reflect your desire to bring more love into your life. But cinnamon itself carries its own magical associations. Adding it to your coffee can help enhance your concentration, alertness, and brain function, which can be quite useful when conducting magical rituals, working with tarot, or even in financial matters. Remember that it's important not only to follow the recipe but also to visualize how the cinnamon infuses your coffee and brings financial enrichment with it. Recite the affirmation, "As cinnamon adds flavor to coffee, so does money grow in my hands. So it shall be." Your desire, a tasty beverage, and magical energy come together to help you bring your dreams closer to reality. In conclusion, Witch's Coffee with Cinnamon is not just a beverage, it is a magical ritual capable of awakening your powers and helping you manifest your desires. Follow the recipe, set your intentions for success, and allow this coffee to fill your life with the aroma of magic and achievements. Be in harmony with the world and your desires, and may Witch's Coffee with Cinnamon become your magical elixir of success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more discoveries and inspiration.